Animal Crossing Amiibo Festival is the worst rated Animal Crossing game in existence, and the only Animal Crossing game I didn't own until now. Animal Crossing, but it's Amiibo Festival. Oh, come on. Ah, yes. The lovely snow. Welcome to Animal Crossing Amiibo Festival. It's a festival held by Animal Crossing characters for Animal Crossing characters. How exciting! The game ends when a month passes. If 4 people are playing, it takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, I do a lot for you guys. It's Stingbay's turn. Oh, yeah, crap. I gotta scan the Amiibo. Oh, are you kidding? A 2? I messed up at work. Leia backed me up, so it was okay in the end, but I still feel pretty embarrassed. Alright, here I go again. Boop. Oh, come on! Yes, okay, come on. Can we speed this up a bit? Come on, you should have lost way more than that. Oh my goodness, it's red? Well, hey there! Have I caught you a little... hello, I wasn't done reading yet, Red. Red, I'm not done reading! Red, I'm not done reading! Why can't I ever get money out of, trees in real life? Just... That'd be so good. I introduced a friend to my real estate guy. Real estate guy? Give Tom Nook a bit more credit. I mean, look at him. He's so adorable. How could Tom Nook possibly be evil? He only gives us like $200,000 worth of debt. And hey, he gives us 0% interest. I mean, what landlord do you know that gives you 0% interest? Bop bop. Oh no. Well, hey there. Welcome to Crazy Red's car shop, friend. You can find all sorts of useful cards at very reasonable prices. I think I'm gonna get the double dice block. Well there, you got yourself a double dice card. You're gonna be speeding down the happy highway with that one. Right on, here's the merchandise. I've already been recording for 13 minutes. Hi, I'm Girl 4, and I'm gonna roll, and I'm gonna get a 3, and then I'm gonna go down this path, and I'm gonna lose money because I made a bad decision to make toast. This is the game. Just back and forth with reading text, buying turnips, and the occasional visitor. I can make myself do a clap. I just realized I gotta shorten this down into a 10-minute-ish video. Well, crap. Alright, let's see if we get a good return. Oh yeah, we'll get a better return of that. Yahoo! Oh, that's a bit of a person, hello, a red feather. Oh, you love me, Pev has been waiting for this moment. Sexy dance! Yawn! I am not a furry. Yeah, I won. Yeesh. It was really fun playing a board game with you today, Wolf. Diggly, you'll be taking happy home points by saving them to your Amiibo. Okay. When you collect the happy points, new outfits and emotions become available. Wait, you're telling me there's actually unlockables? Failed to write data to the... What the frick? Wait. You made it to the end? But I was bored just playing the game. This is the boringest video I've ever played. How the heck did you make it to the end of the video? How the heck did you make it?